Serve here with a video about a trip to a localish toy fair. Port Sunlight is a model village near Bebington on the Wirral. It was built by the Lever brothers to accommodate its soap factory workers. That's part of the Unilever business now. Work commenced in 1888 and over 900 Grade 2 listed buildings make up this area. The toy fair is held in the community centre, which is an absolutely beautiful building with vaulted curved ceilings. The toy fair hosts a variety of toys, from Matchbox to model railways, action men, figures, you name it, anything that anybody collects, there's going to be a stall there that sells something. And of course, it's the ideal opportunity to root through some boxes and find those little bargains that you are special to you. This was actually one of the first stalls that I came to, and I spotted the box of junk of model railways, so time to have a sort through. And at £4 each, that's a good price, and 3 for a tenner, that's definitely a bargain. But can I find something that I'm interested in? Yep, that looks quite suitable. Oh, now here's one I collect, and I'll show you later what I can do with it. There's another item that I collect. And oddly, a second one, which ironically, I picked that one up and not the first one. I am an avid collector of mainline railways wagons, preferably boxed, and many years ago I used to have a budget which was a maximum of £5 for a boxed item. Of course, these days prices have gone up a great deal, and you'll regularly find them at these swap meets and toy fairs for between about £7 and £10, and you'll end up paying something like £10 or £12 on eBay for them. So a toy fair is a good source. This one here is £7, and although I picked it up, I kind of made a mistake because I didn't go back for it. I was metering myself with what I was going to spend, and I'd collected the 3 items out of the cheapo box, and I forgot completely to go back and get the Royal Daylight wagon. Oh well, there's a lot to choose from. This one I recognise as being quite a collectible one, but it's not one of the type of rakes that I'm trying to build, so I'm afraid that one has to go back. Now this is an interesting one. It actually looks, well, it doesn't look big enough to be double O. At a guess I would say it might be TT, but I could be wrong. It's certainly very small and in a very poor condition, hence I put it back. And there are some oddments. Now I am collecting a rake of these, and that doesn't look too bad. And it's £10. That's not a bad price. Seen them for about 12 other times, but the cars aren't in very good condition. Oh, there's a mainline tanker that I collect, but with nothing on the bottom, no wheels, no undercarriage or anything. No spikes on that one. Ooh. Now that's the modern version, the railroad type of the car carrier. That's interesting. Oh, and it's a fiver. Well, I can't turn my nose up at that one. Oh, and there's one I definitely collect. And it's got a door missing. Well, we'll talk about that later. Oh, £4 for that? Interesting. Good price. But I've probably got enough. Or maybe I could have one more. Nah. Now I'll pass. We'll just go with the Allsops and the car carrier. There's some odd things and some very interesting things. Again, another car carrier, not many cars in it, no price, no carriage, bogey, so I'll miss that one. Thunderbirds. And a side loading tractor. That's interesting. Not seen one of those before. HO wagons from Lima. Some shorty Hornbys. Good prices. The grey and blues do seem to come out quite cheap compared to blood and custards, LNERs, etc. Something's caught my eye on the end. Architects, sorry. That's something that I've seen around in little packets, but I've never seen a complete box. The chap did show me, and it is complete and in really good condition. Probably worth over £100, and he was offering it for just 50. I was tempted, but this one also caught my eye. I really want one of these sets, but £199, it's probably a good price, but I just haven't got that sort of money at the moment, which is a shame. Interesting controller. Oh gauge. Nope, too big for me, but very interesting, and a real blast from the past with a very technical controller. Oh, some rockets from Hornby, the original ones. Not my cup of tea, but interesting. Now there's an interesting one. 0440 or something. Another good one for the Americans. Nice River Rossi railgun. I have the Oxford one, but I don't think a German one's going to really suit my layout. What's in the box? Bits of station platform. And a double American. And a really short, weird one. Again, American stuff, not my scene. Couple of main lines there. I think I'm going to have to come back to this shop. Yes, they are pretty much what I collect, all the brown ones. I think I'm probably going to have a piece of that action, but I'll use a ploy by going away, having spent a bit of time looking at them and humming and hawing, and I'll come back nearer the end and do a deal. Yep, deal done. £48. And I also found a shop with, I don't know, over 100 of these, so I selected them out. They were marked up £3, £3.50, but I managed to get the 8 of them for about £2.50 each. And then of course we have our modern day Railroad Arctic, and then we've got our Allsops. I managed to bag the two from two different shops. Both of them don't have a door on one side, but that's not a problem for me, as I've designed and 3D printed spare doors, so I can fix them quite easily. Then we had 4 for £10 job, or about the right era for what I collect, so that was a good deal. And then of course there's the drop-sided R113 Hornby wagon, which is in pretty good condition, although admittedly I could have got 2, but I missed out on that. But if the side is missing, which is, I've got a number of them currently where I bought them very cheaply, but the side is not there, I'm going to have to do a little exercise and design and print some up. It's not a big toy fair, but it's only 20 minutes from me, and well worth the trouble. As you can see, I managed to bag quite a few nice little bargains. So I'll see you in the next one. This is Timber Surf saying ciao for now.